1, 7, 11. So the grouping has happened like that. In source item group 1, billing item group 1, 7, 11 are grouped together. In 2, 2, 8, 12 are grouped together. In 3, 3, 5, 9 are grouped together. And in 4, 4, 6, 10 are grouped together. Okay, so the source item group, you can find it in the INV. This is the table DFK INV bill I. Okay, here you will find the source item group. Is someone asking any? Am I audible? I heard very faint. Some source item group. Okay, so the source two. So the grouping. So the grouping has happened like that. In source item group 1, billing item group 1, 7, 11 are grouped together. In 2, 2, 8, 12 are grouped together. In 3, 3, 5, 9 are grouped together. And in 4, 4, 6, 10 are grouped together. Okay, so the source item group, you can find it in the INV. This is the table DFK INV bill I. Okay, here you will find the source item group. Is someone asking any? Am I audible? I heard very faint. Someone is asking any question?
Yeah, your voice is loud and clear.
Oh, okay. I thought someone was asking. uh, I could have heard very low voice. Anyways, so so this is how the grouping has formed. Now here you have to map it. Okay, if you club them, then you have to map them. Okay, so then it will be 1 is to, like, here you have to map like that. Let in this table first, let me bring the amounts closer. Amount amount where was the amount? Amount, I'll bring to the left hand side. Amount here, and bit type here, and sequence number here. Now we'll see amount, summation, and in the sequence number I will do subtotal. Okay, now here you will see the mapping. Against 1 we have 159, against 2 I have 26 11, against 3 we have 37 11, and against 4 we have 48 12. Okay, why am I stressing so much on this? Because if you want to map, if there is a clubbing, and deriving different profit center will become difficult, so you have to find a way out to map between bit to invoice. Okay, directly bit and invoice will not be mapped. In between we have billing doc will be used to map uh, bit and invoice, because bit has certain custom field which you want to show till invoice. Okay, that is store in the invoice, or for any reporting purpose you want to do that. Okay, so this is the mapping you have to show. Okay, so let's validate the number range. I believe the number range it has taken from the master, from the mass one, but let's validate whether it has consumed from the mass one or not. So my mass
Where you
number
have
range
done this
is
billable item group mapping, means I may have lost.
okay.
Uh,
Billing process, we have a grouping variant. In the grouping variant for billable item, I added three uh Z102. Here I
even
added three grouping characteristics: bit currency, bookers, that is company code, and sub process. In all 12 line items, I had USD, I had 2409, and I had Z102. That's why they are clubbed together.
okay, okay.
Okay. Now let's validate the number range as well. So I'll go to billing document. Here I'll find Z1 was a number range. Okay, let's see Z1. So yeah, one, I think it has taken from this one only. Okay, mine is how much? 41. Okay, it has consumed from this number, and this is the mass 1. Okay, and the doc type is same, Z1 only. Now let me show you reversal. Okay, so billing reversal. So once the billing document is generated, I will go to, so this is a reverse document screen. I can go to edit, that will enable me the reverse document. Okay, so I have two reversal reasons. Remember, I had one the first one is erroneous billing, the other one is erroneous bill. Okay, sorry, this one were mine. Erroneous billing means only billing will be reversed. Erroneous bits means billing will be reversed plus bit will be accepted. Okay, first let's validate, let's check this one, erroneous billing. So select y1, with this reversal reason execute. It is saying reversed billing document. If you want to see um, the reversal document, click on it. So this is Z1, the reversal will be Z2. Okay, so I'll go to reversal document. Okay, this is Z2, and it has consumed from a different number range, 8 series. 8 series meaning, see, remember 07 is for individual billing, 08 was for individual reversal. Okay, so I reversed it from the individuality code. So it has taken the document type of Z2, which is 102 reversal, and in Z2 we had two reversal number range, 08 for individual reversal and Z2 for mass reversal. So it has taken from 08. Okay, looks like 8 series. That means it has taken from the individual reversal. And here on the right hand side, it will show you, yeah, here it will show you which is the original document and which is the reversal document. Okay, original document had 68, reversal document has minus 68. Okay, so it has been reversed and it should become back to billable. Okay, so if I see the fkk bixbit mon slash n fkk bixbit underscore mon, previously there would be no billable item left because all 12 I built. Okay, now they will become billable again because I have reversed it. Okay, all 12 are back as billable because I have reversed them. So uh, reversal means only back to billable. Now I will test a second reversal reason, which will push back to uh, billable accepted. Okay, not only it will make it back to billable, it will also accept it. Okay, so let me first again bill them because I will need this time reverse with the y2 reversal reason. Okay, so first I will bill them. So I'll bill it from here only. Okay, so today's date, I'll bill from here only, execute billing. Thank God, now the lock, it doesn't show from here, the lock it shows from fkk big underscore st code. Okay, so I'll bill them again together. This time, remember, I have used individual billing. So 7 series number range it will pick. Billing document. Okay, individual billing. Although I build all three together, three units together, but I used Bixbit Monty code, not FKK Bix underscore MAT code. Okay, so I build them together. Now I will reverse it. Okay, so this edit, this button I can see once I go back. I go back. Okay, now I will enter here billing document. Now the edit button is available. uh, I have opened it some requested object EFKKCLEV edit. Okay, this is the number and just come out. What else? Display. Edit. Oh God. This is display. This is table. Why am I getting so many lock object? I don't know. This is completed. Okay, still in edit interval, na? Maybe that's why. So I'll get inside of the billing document. Now am I able to edit it? Okay, I'm able to edit it. Now I'll reverse it, but I'll choose the reversal reason y2. Y2 meaning that I can uh, erroneous bits. Okay, that is, it will also accept the bits. y2 and green tick, I mean execute. Okay, so here normal reversal. Okay, 8 all 0 1, I don't see anything. And when I go back to billable item, you'll see I go back to billable item, see the status becomes billable accepted. Okay, there is a difference. We I mean, what happens, every day billing job will run. So if you bill some bits and then you reverse the bill, then the next date the it will become billable, next day it will be again again billed. Okay, so let me open Excel and explain. What I'm saying is my source document is bit, then I bill them, then it will be invoiced. Okay, so bit is generated and I build it, then I reverse the bill. Okay, if I reverse the bill, it will go back to billable. Now if I keep it billable again, next day it will be billed again, it will come to here. Okay, to stop that, so that again it will not be billed, I will make it accepted. So the y2 reversal reason is to make it accepted, bit accepted. So accepted ones cannot be billed via batch. Okay, somebody has to restore. So accepted means I will for why so many hiccups. Okay, so again accepted means it will not be billed again. Why did I reverse the bill? Because it had some error. So if I make it billable again, it will be billed on the next batch. So to stop that chain, I just made it billable accepted. Okay, I hope you get that, the difference between y1 and y2. Okay, so yeah, that is done.
Y1 and Y2 are standard, sir, or because we didn't configure Y1 and Y2. I remember we said like, okay, we can see in
No,
the
no, no.
drop down we are having.
It is not standard. Someone else has created it. Okay, and the distinction feature was that here against y2, this additional exception reason was assigned. Someone has also created m1. So against y2, this exception reason z2 was assigned. Z2 means accepting a bit. Okay, so not
Okay.
standard. Someone else have created. Maybe I have created in earlier batch, in ZC30 batch. Maybe I have created. Okay, so your server will come with blank configuration. You have to configure everything, like it will come with blank bit class. You have to create prepaid customer bit class, postpaid customer bit class, like that. Okay, so not standard.
So what
You
extra
assign
feature we
this.
are adding here in Y2 so that it is making it is accepted
Yeah,
and earlier one.
you
Mhm.
assign this one. You assign the exception reason. That is, here I'm saying, in the previous node I'm saying that these are the two ways of reversing a billable item, reversing a billing
Mhm.
document. Okay, and in the next step I'm adding this additional field, additional feature, that here in the y2 it will not only reverse the billable billing document, it will also accept the billable item as well. This is the exception reason. If you add this, then y2 becomes, if I even if I add it with y1 also, then y1 will behave like billing reversal plus bit exception.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay. So both these M1 and Y2 they will behave like accepted only because Z2
yes.
is
M
as a
M1, M1 and M2. M1 will also behave like that. M1 and M2. Somebody has created M1, and the moment
okay.
he or she assigns exception reason, so using
I
M1
got it.
also, I will be able to accept the bit. Okay,
Okay.
Saurav. Yeah, thank you. Saurav, tell
Yes.
me.
Yeah, so Badra, if you will go to a selection category, okay, the selection variant, okay, there was a way to exclude the bit, okay, but when I was trying to use it, okay, it was not excluding, it was including in the billing document.
Okay, maybe you're using any other. What is your selection variant?
One second. One with telco, SVTE.
Okay. So T that you want to exclude. Exclude value from selection. So all TCal, TDAT, and TMSC, all three are getting
It's
built.
built into a single billing document. Yeah, but the description says that okay, it will exclude from the billing document.
Oh, oh,
Second one, we
GVT.
tell. Yeah, GVT.
Okay. No, you do not add any grouping.
Yeah, just using a source ID. Okay, whatsoever having a same source ID, the same original field and aggregation behavior.
I think I also faced that earlier in our system, in our that thing. Can you try with three separate source transaction ID? I think three separate source, uh, but in upload you cannot distinguish. Now I think because you have same same source transaction ID, that's why maybe it is considering all of them. Okay, although they three so bits belongs to three separate bit type, but since they all are having same source transaction ID, that's why maybe can you generate one by one three line items, three bits, not in one shot, three separate line
Okay.
items you create using three separate source transaction ID. Okay, ending last digit may be different. Now you try to select all and try to bill, and you can see and let me know whether it is excluding your GVT or whatever TVT, and let me know, okay, if it works like that, because it looks
Sure.
like conflicting. Maybe that can be a reason.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, now what I was showing. Okay, so this reversal is done, exception is done. I think in the billing side we have completed everything. Now we'll go to the invoicing. Okay, so after billing we'll do the invoicing. Now what is the difference between billing and invoicing? Why do I have to bill first, then I have to invoice? Can't I directly invoice it? Why I don't like this step? Okay, billing first, invoicing later, because a bill will not be sent to customer. Why do we spend time and effort or configuring at all the billing billing things? Okay, so the difference between billing and invoicing is that billing will store all the consumption, and invoicing will post something on top of it, some additional thing on top of it. Okay, so actual consumption or actual one time bits are actually billed, and during invoicing some additional things are added. For example, can I give an example? Say you go to Taco Bell, you go to any fast food joint, and you order a burger. Okay, so maybe four people are ordering some food. So there are some, you apply. So there are four burgers. Okay, so each burger costing maybe $10, and then along with that you ask for cold drinks, say soft drinks or soda. So that soda may cost you maybe say $5 each. Okay, let me put it here. So this is burger, then this is soda. Okay, and you want some ketchup, maybe say ketchup is coming complimentary, and number of person here, four. So total bill will be 10 into 4 coming as 40, and here also 5 into 4 coming as 20. So if you add both of them, 60, this is your billing amount. Okay, so actual consumption or actual product sold, actual services sold, actual consultancy, that is actual billing. Okay, now during invoicing some additional thing will be added. Say during invoicing you would come to know that you know the restaurant owner. Okay, so he gives you a discount. Okay, so he gives you a discount of 5%. Okay, say 5%. So your billing, I mean your total amount becomes 60 into 5%, that is equal to 60 minus 3, it will become 57. On top of that he has to add the taxes that he, I mean discount, he, it is on his, I mean he may or may not give, but taxes is not with him. He has to collect the tax and pay to the government. Okay, say tax is 10%. Okay, so the tax will be added on top of it, equal to 57 multiplied by 10%. This is the tax. Okay, and now the total amount becomes equal to 57 plus 5.7. This is the invoice amount. Okay, so actual, the final amount that will be collected from the customer will be the invoicing amount, but we cannot calculate invoice directly because you have to find out how, what is the consumption in the first place. Okay, then maybe on top of that consumption, some discount, some taxes will be levied. Okay, so these things happen later in the invoicing stage. Okay, so that is the difference between billing and invoicing. Billing considers a pure consumption, pure actual, the quantity is sold, or the product is sold, or the services is sold, the actual rate and quantity it will multiply. Okay, this is rate, and sorry, this is rate, and this is units or quantity. Okay, so that is a difference between billing and invoicing. So we have reached till here. Next we are going to invoice it. Okay, so first we'll do invoicing without discount, without tax, simple invoicing, then we'll add all those free flavors slowly. So now any question on the difference between billing and invoicing? I hope you know already, but just wanted to just call it out. Okay, so invoicing part, let me show you from the slide also. Invoicing, so invoicing similar to billing process, we start with invoicing process. This is still billing billing scheduling alcohol letter, number range. So here there's a diagram which will help you identify, because they are all similar knowing words. Okay, so I hope this will help you identify what is being assigned where. So contract account, here we have the sub process is assigned to billing process, assigned to selection variant, okay, assigned to grouping variant, and this sub process is assigned to billing type also. Invoicing category I have not as created yet. Okay, then uh, this sub process, this will, as per the the billable item will go to the billing process, and it will form the billing unit, and billing document will be generated. Okay, billing process is completed after successful generation of billing document, and here's the billing document. Okay, now I hope the next one is in. Okay, invoicing. Similarly, during invoicing also we will form a grouping variant, and we'll add the grouping characteristics like we did. So for invoicing, we'll first create the grouping variant. Okay, we will do that, then we will assign it to the invoicing process. Like in billing process, we created three things, that is we assigned three things, that is grouping variant, selection variant, and billing type. In invoicing process also we will assign grouping variant along with others. Okay, So what is grouping variant? So here also we will form grouping. For invoicing, my source document will be billing document. The grouping characteristics of grouping variant identifies the fields that is used to group the document to be invoiced in invoicing units. Okay. So grouping characteristics are used as configuration of grouping variant. We can use any fields in the structure fknv underscore trig for invoicing order. So all the billing documents will form a invoicing order. Okay. You may see there was a IO. Okay, let me show you that. In the invoicing, in the billing document, there was a IO flag at the header. If I open any, if I open any invoicing document, so items which are invoiced, nothing is invoiced here. What? I did not reverse all billing document, did I? Or maybe I'll copy. I'll show you from another bit. So here you'll see invoiced. Oh, sorry, invoicing I did not do. Sorry, billing I did. Billed item Z102. If I open the build item, you'll see in the billing document header, any billing document header, you'll see IO. Okay, invoicing order or invoicing request exists. Okay, so for invoicing, billing, once it is done, once the billing is done, it will generate a invoicing request or invoicing order. From that invoicing order, it will do the invoicing. Okay, this is what it is mentioned here, that in the FK can be trigger invoicing order. From there, it will create the invoicing. And based on this field, just some example, based on this field, you'll group together company code, division, source document number, contract reference, source document category. Okay. And we can also define our own customer defined function module to define the invoicing process. Sorry, grouping variant within invoicing. Okay. So we'll stop here today. We'll continue with invoicing configuration tomorrow. Okay. And I remember the img config document I will upload today. Okay. Thank you. We'll connect again tomorrow.